something to admire, cause you shine me something like a mirror. I can't help but notice you reflect in this heart of mine. If you ever feel alone, the glare is hard to find. Because know that I'm always parallel on the other side. Cause with your hands in a pocket full of gold, there ain't no place we couldn't go. Just keep your head on the glass, I'm not trying to quit them. You just gotta be strong. I don't wanna lose you now. Looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy inside of my heart is a space that is home. Show me how to fight for now. And I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figured it out. You were right here all alone. When you're all alone, it's like I'm a mirror. My mirror staring back at me. Couldn't get any bigger if anyone else beside of me. Now there is this promise that we're making, two reflections in a one. Cause it's like I'm a mirror. My mirror staring back at me, staring back at me. Aren't you something original? Cause it does, it's merely assembled. Can't help but stare, I see truth somewhere in your eyes. I can't ever change without you. You reflect me, I love that about you. And if I could, I would look at us all the time. Cause with your hand in my hand and a